Here we have a man at a taco shop in southeast San Diego, waving a gun around and acting erratically.
San Diego Police 911, dispatch area 134. Do you need police, fire, or paramedics?
Oh, sorry. I'm calling. I just left that taco shop on 47th Street and National, and there was this gentleman in there. He was acting very crazy, and he had a gun on the table. I just wanted to report that.
Okay. Okay, and you're not there anymore?
I'm in my car outside.
Okay, and you said you saw him with the gun?
Yeah, he had the gun on the table. He sat right across from me, and he had a bandana, and in the bandana he had the gun underneath it.
San Diego 911, dispatcher 8397. Hi, what is the address of the emergency?
Yeah, this is on 43rd, on Humberto's taco shop.
Okay.
There's a guy inside the dining, and he has a gun.
Okay. Do you know the full address there?
¿Sabes la dirección? 1136. 43rd Street.
Are you at the same restaurant where this is happening?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see him right now?
Yeah, he's at the dining.
Okay, but I'm saying I see a call nearby, and it says this is happening in a Chinese restaurant, but you're saying it's happening in Humberto?
No, it's not on the Chinese. This is a Humberto.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a taco shop.
Chill. He's got a gun! He got a gun! Fucking! 31 Quebec, shots fired! Stand on the fucking ground! Stand on the fucking ground! Keep your hands out! Get there! Hand out! You still got a hand on the gun, yeah? Yeah, he's got a hand on the gun. Morrison, get over here. Do not fucking move! Do not move or we will shoot you! Hey, he still got the gun on his hand. I will shoot you again. Yeah, he still got the gun, dude. Hey, he's got the gun. Hey, put your car over here on this end. Yeah, if you want to. We just gotta be careful with crossfire. Bro? Yeah. He shot at us. Yeah, he did. .431 Quebec again. He's got the gun in his right hand. Can't tell if he's breathing right now, but he's not complying to any of our commands. He is breathing a little bit. Hey, watch your crossfire. Hey, bring on this end. Come over here. Hey, you got me hot. You got me on. Get lethal on or reload. Oh, I got lethal. Go. Come.
You guys want to get behind?
Yeah, let's push behind. Yeah, you're right. Go.
Hey, let's get behind.
Hey guys,
get a little bit back behind.
Yeah, I got him.
Yeah.
I can't see him.
Yeah, you're good, man.
I can see. Hey, Freddie, push right. I can see the gun. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, that's over.
This dude.
Let him die right there. Help him. You already shot him. You shot him 40 times. You can't do nothing. Help him. He's not even moving or breathing. You see it? Let him die right there. Murder.
Huh?
Hey, watch out, Louis.
You're good. Hey, boss, back up. Drop the gun. Back up. Get it out of your hand. Get that gun out of your hand.
Hey, you know what? Let's push on the other side, so that way he has to move the gun more for us to. Hey, Louis.
What's up? You want me to stay right here?
Hey, you guys want to push on the north side of the truck, just so that way if he does move the gun.
All over there? Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. We're going to go over
Yeah, hey, we're gonna push this way. Just watch out.
Moving over here, Sarge.
He's hit, right?
Yeah, he got shot.
All right, so let's try to move up on him.
You got a shield?
He's got the gun.
We can pin him with the shield.
You can stop that traffic over there. We got enough people here. Stop that vehicle. Help him! Why
Whenever we put shots fired, he's been down that long.
Hey, sorry, bitch, go over here. Go over here.
Push him. I'm lethal.
Slow it down, slow it down.
You will get shot again.
Come over.
Cuff him. Oh, yes, sir. Hey, sit over there. Sit over there. Stay over here. Hey, stay with him.
I'll tell him. Where do you want to block traffic over here?
30%.
Hey, Sarge.
Nah, I'm good.
Sure?
Yeah, let's get. Well, just hang out with me then. I got a bunch of adrenaline, dude.
Yeah.
Check me for holes. I don't feel anything, so.
You alright?
Yeah. Yeah.
If I get a unit to block off yellow tape, the parking lot of the corner laundry.
Yeah. Do we have to? Yeah, we got. I'll hang out with Freddie. Go grab some tape, okay?
And then, the east side of Avenue, 43rd. And let's get this, Jake Wilder's parts in.
Go with the Alpha unit. He'll tell you when to tape off, okay?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, Sarge.
About how many rounds? No, in what direction?
So,
Just a quick.
so I'm not.
Nobody else outstanding, right?
No, just him. We pulled up about to go 97 after we got that update from that he was over here at the taco shop. I came right here. I saw him run out of the taco shop.
Okay.
Gun in his hand. He's got a gun. I opened the door. He shot at us.
Okay.
I returned fire. He ran across this way. Returned fire some more. He dropped.
Which direction did you? This way and this way, right?
Yes.
Okay. About how many rounds?
I couldn't tell.
Okay, it's fine.
You stay with him?
Yeah, you got
Okay.
it. This is San Diego, right? Not National.
No, it's San Diego.
This is National City.
San Diego. It's myself, sir, my partner, the tall, bald one over there.
Okay. What's your last name?
Najera, Najera.
And what's your first name?
Freddie, Freddy.
What's your ID number?
1052.
How you doing?
I'm alright, sir. Thank you.
All right, you're doing good. Don't stress. You did good. Let's hang out for a minute, and Morrison 714. Morrison? Justin. What's the number? 714. Okay. They're going back. Run front.
John, got a gun! Got a gun! Fucking grab it! Shots fired! Shots fired! Stay on the fucking ground! Stay on the fucking ground! Keep your hands out!
Killed him! How's he supposed to put his hands out?
You still got a hand on the gun, yeah? Yeah, he's got a hand on the gun. Morrison, get over here. Morrison, get over here. Do not fucking move! Do not move or we will shoot you!
31 Quebec, officers are okay. Suspect down, still has a hand on the gun, still breathing, still moving. We need to block southbound traffic at Logan. And if we can stage medics for GSWs.
Hey,
if you fucking move, I will shoot you again. Yeah, he still got the gun, dude.
Hey, he's got the gun. Hey, put your car over here on this end.
Go ahead side. I'm gonna go ahead side.
Yeah, if you want to, we just got to be careful with crossfire. You good, bro?
Yeah.
He shot at us.
Yeah, he did. Right hand. Can't tell if he's breathing right now, but he's not supposed to any of our men.
He is breathing a little bit. Hey, watch your crossfire.
Hey, bring on this end. Come over here.
Hey, you got me hot. You got me on. Get lethal on or reload. I want to attack load. Tom.
You guys want to get behind?
Yeah, let's push behind. Yeah, you're right.
Hey, let's get behind.
Hey guys, let's push behind this.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good, man. I can see. Hey, Freddie, push right. I can see the gun.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good. He shot at us.
Let him die right there. Help him. You already shot him. He shot him so many times. You can't do nothing. Help him. He's not even moving or breathing.
Listen, I can take over. You ready?
I'm good.
Murderer.
Huh?
Hey, watch out, Louis.
Good?
You're good.
Hey, boss. Back up. Drop the gun. Back up. Get it out of your hand. Get that gun out of your hand.
Hey, you know what? Let's push on the other side so that way he has to move the gun more for us to. Hey, Louis.
You want me to stay right here?
Hey, you guys want to push onto the north side of the truck just so that way if he does move the gun.
All over there? Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. We're all going to go over
Yeah, hey, we're going to push this way. Just watch out.
Moving over here, sorry.
right?
Yeah, he got shot. You got a shield? We can pin him with the shield.
Hey, can you just stop that traffic over there? We got enough people here. Stop that vehicle.
Whenever we put shots fired, he's been down that long.
Hey, sorry, five best move over here. What's up? Go over here.
But I want somebody to come up. step on his hand.
Yep.
Where's the weapon? So let's move
Yep.
up. We got it.
Okay.
Ready?
I'll go ahead. Ready.
Go.
Pushing. I'm lethal. If you move, you will get shot again.
Pull him over.
Cuff him.
Where's Freddie?
You guys shot?
Yeah, we shot.
All right, just stand on with it.
It's okay.
Freddie.
Freddie.
Hey, Freddie.
Oh, yes, sir.
Over there. You stay over here. Stay right there. Hey. You doing all right?
Shot at us.
You not hurt? You sure? Good check.
Checking.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it.
Got the two separated. Back. Got the in here.
Okay.
I got him over there with the. Which direction did you guys shot it?
We both, or at least I shot from this direction. He
This
was
way?
running towards us from there with a gun in his.
Just the basic questions, all right?
Yeah. Which direction?
We shot this direction. I shot probably 5 or 6 times.
Let's keep it low. 5 or 6 times?
5 or
That
6.
direction? Okay. And then, anybody else outstanding?
Just this guy. He ran out.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we're
Okay.
I'm good.
I'm gonna have to-
I want somebody to check Freddie, make sure he didn't get shot.
Laundry. All the way down.
You were the only one? And that was only you?
We both shot.
Okay. Stay here. You okay?
You got him, sir?
Where did this happen? Right there? Okay. Let's go over here. Take a deep breath. It's all right. Okay. Breathe. You're okay. You're not injured or anything like that, right?